Forza. Just gotta adjust the camera. This game is so underrated on the Xbox 360 Elite. People say it's not realistic at all, but I'd say if you told me this game was made in like 2020, maybe 2018, I would believe you 100%. The detail is very good, but this game does have problems like the whole invisible barrier glitch weird thing. I don't know. I don't want to run into some invisible barrier while I'm racing and then I'll have to rewind, lose my great, I don't know the word for it. So this is my new Nissan Silvia. Oh, was it 1992 Nissan Silvia Club KS drift car. Now, well, I wouldn't say drift car, but what you gonna do? It's more like a race car. So, if you're wondering why there's a decal in the license plate spot that's blue with the gold lettering, I use that as my license plate. Before I used to use the Falcon Tires decal. Then I did Texaco. I couldn't have any of my cars in white because of that. Now I have this one. This car is truly amazing. The sound, I just love the sound. The engine is from a 2000 Nissan Silvia. It's got decent speed, but the sound, I'll say again, is just amazing. Might not be able to tell, but I got roll cage in it for obvious reasons. All race cars have one. I have race weight reduction. It's very good. It's very helpful for building a car that's meant to go. The only reason why I whisper in my videos is because I don't want to show my voice. I mean, it's not exactly showing my voice, but you know what I mean. Soon, well, not soon, but someday I'll start talking normally. I just won't show my face. But don't expect that very soon. It would probably be like 2 years from now, probably, whenever I start actually talking normally instead of whispering. Oh my god. Did not see that turn. I need to set this. There we go, finally. Good cameraing. Just look at how realistic this game is. I don't know why people are saying that's not good. It's so good. It's very good. But you know what I wish? I wish that there was more than 2 pickup trucks in this game. And they're both Fords, both F-Series. I want some like 30s Chevy, if that's like a thing. Or Dodge. Oh my god. The endless possibilities with a 30s Dodge truck. Rat rod coming in. possibilities. Hot rods, drag cars, lowrider, just something to cruise in. Okay, I do have to say something about some of these roads. Why does my suspension turn into a block of wood on some roads? Like my car will start to be very shaky and wobbly and bumpy. My suspension is practically blocks of wood, and the braking non-existent. My brakes are non-existent. Like, look at this, watch. See? That was pretty hard there. And also, my car will start to slide a lot. And look how low my car's to the ground. That's not what it's like normally. Well, you see, it just went higher off the ground. This is an excellent car to build into a drift car, a race car, or if you want to turn into a regular car just to drive around like nothing special. I want to get a different car. Now, for some reason, whenever I look at my TV when going into the My Cars thing and the Buy Cars thing, the game will freeze. But if I look down or close my eyes and then look away, the game does not freeze. I guess it's just an issue with the older Xboxes. I wonder if any of you guys have kept your first car in this game, because I have. This is my 1998 Toyota Supra RZ that I've kept since I started the save in January. I have two saves. I have one that's 4 years old. I started my first save in 2020. This is my second save that I did not do the money glitch on. I just want to build up. Now I have $1 million. And to prove I'm not lying, this car has 186 miles. And I've driven like 1,000. This is my first supercar that I bought. I just wanted something nice. So the first thing that came to my mind was Lamborghini Huracan. Here is my Bel Air hot rod. I did a 2-tone, well actually it's a 3-tone finish. It is a light blue with silver sides and a light green mint look on above the silver. I also have a silver roof, like just look at this. I'm using Krager rims, like the ones that aren't fully chrome, the ones that you can change the color. This is what my car sounds like. I swear the AI just hates my cars. It's like they jump out and try and break them. I don't want my cars broken. I'm using a C6 Corvette engine. And it just makes this thing scream. I couldn't ever think about selling this car. One thing I wish is that I had Xbox Live Gold before they shut down the servers, because I could play online. cars because you were able to do that in the photo album. And in the shop, you could look at people's designs. I was not able to buy them for some reason. And I just feel like that the creators of the game should have updated the menu, the pause menu, to get rid of the online road trip, the social section, so friends, rivals, message center, join a club, and just anything that resembles online features, because this game is not online anymore. So why have the online features still showing? Like, this is completely useless. It's just sad that I'll never get to experience the online features, driving with other people who play the game, showing off my cars, looking at theirs. Like, I'll never get to do that. And the reason why my camera keeps on being pointed down every now and then is so I can check how much minutes I've been recording for, because for some reason YouTube won't let me record for more than 16 minutes. 16 minutes is like nothing. Why do I have to have my channel verified to do that? But all it takes is 50 subscribers and 2 months of uploading, so you might want to hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so that you get notified whenever something new is posted. And that would be every 2 days, 3 days, or 4 days if I'm just not having any ideas. And I feel like there should be an option to add white wall tires on any car you want. Like this Bel Air. Oh my god. I would want white walls on it if I was doing like a lowrider build. It would just fit the thing so much. I swear. I may be at 30